Hello friends. Welcome back. Hope so you are good by the grace of God. Dear friends, YouTube is one of the best platform where we can earn online. It is owned by Google and is the second most visited website after Google search. So that there is unaccountable content. And due to huge amount of content, there is very high competition of YouTubers. Today, I want to show you top best alternatives of YouTube, where you can upload videos and may earn online. Let's start. First alternative is Dailymotion. Dailymotion is one of the best alternative of YouTube, where you can upload your videos and monetize your channel easily. Second alternative is Adobe. Adobe is an Indian platform where you can create your account and upload your videos and may earn online. You can monetize your account easily on Adobe. Third alternative is Rumble. Rumble is also a great platform. Register on it and create your account. Simply upload your videos and earn online. Fourth alternative is BitChute. It is peer-to-peer content sharing platform and associated services. You can share your content on it and may earn online. Simply click on Join and create your account. Upload your video and earn online. Fifth alternative is Storyfire. Storyfire is also one of the best alternative of YouTube. Simply click on Sign Up and create your account. Upload your video and earn online. Sixth alternative is Tilvids. This is also one of the best alternative of the YouTube. Click on Publish. It will redirect to sign in or sign up page. Create your account and publish your videos. Please read term and conditions of all alternatives before creating account. Hope so this video is also very useful for you. If you have any question or suggestion, please write in comment box. Like and share this video to other. Please consider subscribing to watch more videos like this. Thank you.